Today's video is a very quick unboxing of the November OK Beauty box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. So yeah, like I just said, today's video is a very quick video of the November OK Beauty box unboxing. I'm very behind on my videos, so yeah, this is going to be super quick. If this is a box that you are interested in, let's open this as I talk. Yeah, if this is a box that you are interested in, it costs £15 per month. Linked down below is the link for the website if you want to purchase this box, and right next to it there's a code there, and you'll find that code on their website, but I've put it down below for you. It'll get the box for half price, which will make it £7.50. But yeah, here is the box, opening it up. Ooh. So we have the edit card here with all the information on, which is fabulous. This edit is called the Party Pieces edit. There is a quick sneak peek for you, but yeah, we are diving straight in here to see what we can get with sticky little fingers on. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Helps my channel out so much. So the first product we have in the box is this. It is by the brand Mudmasky, and this is Glam Care Perfection Primer. This is a full-size product. It has 15 mils in here. Wow, full size, it's tiny. And it has a value of £28. It says that it has a weightless formula. It smooths and blurs and nourishes your skin. Yeah. It is a primer. I'm not going to open it. I'm going to leave that sealed. I'm trying my best to keep my product sealed because I have so many open products and on the go, which is not good because they're going to go off. But yeah, what do you think of the brand Mudmasky? We do get a lot of products by Mudmasky circulating in a lot of the beauty boxes that are out there, but I've never had this product before, so I'm kind of happy with that. Second product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Bella Paris Cosmetics, and this is a 4-colour eyeshadow palette. And the eyeshadow palette is called Purple Storm. It is a full-size product, and again has a value of £28. The only eyeshadow palette you'll need this Christmas. It includes 2 shades of brown and a shimmery champagne plus a pretty amethyst glitter for a dazzling disco effect. Right, let's do some quick swatches. Yeah, that's a better look for you. Oh, they're lovely. I love them brown shades, and them shimmer shades look really nice. So yeah, we'll just do a swatch of all of them. Oh, lovely. That is absolutely gorgeous. I think I will actually use all of them shades. And they feel so soft and velvety as well. And yet the pigment is there and just stunning. Third product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand Floral Street, and it's Wonderland Peony. It is a perfume sample. Apparently this has a value of £4.20. Is this not a free sample that you can get from other places? I'm really not impressed that this is a product in the box, to be honest with you. It just says a light and fruity floral scent. It's perfect for your clutch bag in the little sample size. I do love Floral Street fragrances. The ones I've smelled so far and anyway have been really nice. Oh yeah, that is stunning. That is absolutely stunning. It's gorgeous. But it's a free sample. But apparently it has a value of £4.20. I don't know. I don't see this as a product in the box. Or shouldn't be a product in the box. This should just be a free gift in there, but what do you think? The fourth product in the box is this. So this is by the brand Cultured Biome. I've probably said that wrong. And this is Biome One Cleansing Balm. It's a luxury sample size at 15 mils, and it has a value of £4.80. It says that it's a creamy balm cleanser packed with oils which will lift off your makeup with ease. It has fermented algae in here to protect the skin's microbiome. Blah, blah, blah. I can't even say it, so yeah, you know what I mean. Let's just open it up and have a little look-see inside. I really like the packaging, very nice. And oh yeah, that's cute, very nice. I'm not going to pump it, but I will just open it up and have a sniff. I don't know if that has a scent, because as I'm sitting here and I'm having a whiff, all I'm smelling is the perfume that I put on my wrist. But yeah, I know we will definitely give that a go to see what it is like. I've never heard of that brand before, I don't think. No, I haven't. The product in the box we have is this. This is by the brand Doctor's Formula, and it's Instant Eyelash Superfood. It is a full-size product, which is 3.5 mils, and it has an RRP of £34.95. If you've never tried a lash serum before, prepare to be blown away by how naturally long and thick they make your lashes, which is why we've just had to include the Doctor's Formula one. I love this brand. I love their skincare. Absolutely amazing, and I'm so glad to get something different by them to try out. And yep, my eyelashes always need some extra care. Although the length is okay at the minute, I just wish they were thicker. But yeah, this is what it looks like. I'm going to start using this straight away tonight. When I start taking my makeup off, I'm going to put this on before I go to bed, so I'll open it now, why not? Right, yes, we just have a little brush there. Yeah, cool. I love testing stuff on my eyelashes. Amazed by the brand. Next and final product in the box we have is this. This is by the brand Spacemasks, and it's a self-heating eye mask in orange and grapefruit. You get one eye mask in here. It has a value of £3.85, and it says all partied out. We've included something to help you recover. A citrus scented heated eye mask. It warms up as soon as you open it, providing the most soothing experience. Yeah, I've had these type of things before. I don't think I've had one from this brand before, but yeah, they're all nice. I love heated eye masks. I really love heated eye masks. They are a bit of a waste because they don't heat up. Once they've heated up and cooled down, they don't heat up again, unfortunately. Although I suppose you could keep it and use it just as a normal eye mask, but you're not going to be able to wash it because it's supposed to be disposable. So be careful of germs, especially around the eye area. I do have an eye mask that I tested out actually, which you charge up and stuff like that. I'll link that above. Give it a click and go check that one out. But yeah, I will use this. I will probably love it, but it's just a shame that it's a disposable one. Guys, so this is the Party Pieces Edit, the November OK Beauty box. What do you think? Personally, I actually think this is a really decent little box. So yes, there is 6 products in here, but I think what they should have done is just named 5 products on here and just the perfume, given it as a free sample in the box, to be honest, because that perfume is a free sample anywhere else. So that's what I'm going to do when it comes to this box. I'm not thinking of that perfume as a product in the box. I'm just thinking of it as a freebie in the box. But yeah, can't wait to try the Mudmasky primer, see what that feels like. I am excited about the lash serum, the lash superfood or whatever you call it. That is going to be amazing. The eyeshadow palette, I absolutely love that. Look at that champagne-y colour, and that purple one's really nice too. And I love them browns, they're just me. I love that kind of shade, you can see by what I'm wearing now. And yeah, a really nice, or what seems to be nice, cleanser. Yeah, this gets a thumbs up from me. What are your thoughts? Comment down below. Again, if you're interested, it's linked down below. I've copied the code from their website and popped it down there too. So if you haven't got this box before, you'll get your first box half price for £7.50. But yeah, I think that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.